So today we will discuss a question of class 10 chapter 12 electricity, and the question is: an electric motor takes 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. Determine the power of the motor and the energy consumed in 2 hours. So you have to find out the power and the energy. So solution. So first you have to write what are given in the question. Here the current I is given 5 ampere and the potential difference V is given 220 volt, and you have to find out the power. Then again time is given 2 hours and you have to find out the energy. So first we will find out the power. So formula of power is potential difference into current. So here the potential difference is 220 volt and the current is 5 ampere, and when you multiply 220 with 5 it will come 1100 and the unit will be watt. So you find the power is 1100 watt. And again you have to find out the energy consumed in 2 hours. So time given 2 hours and you have to convert the time into second. So that is 2 into 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So you have to multiply with 2, 3600. So that is 7200 seconds, and you have to find out the energy. The energy consumed in 2 hours. So the formula of energy is power into time. So here the power you find 1100 into the time is 7200, and when you multiply these two numbers you will find this much, and the unit will be joule. So you can write this is 7.92 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So energy will be 7.92 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So these two are the required answer. The power is 1100 watt and the energy consumed in 2 hours is 7.92 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Thank you.